हेलो माय डियर बॉयज़, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू ऑल। आप सब कैसे हैं? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन, सेफ एंड एट होम। नाउ बॉयज़, आप लोग रिटन वर्क बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हैं एंड मैम इज़ वेरी हैप्पी विथ इट। ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल आर डूइंग वर्क वेरी नीटली, सो कीप इट अप। So today boys, in today's video, ma'am is going to teach you how to write letter L and letter M. So boys, L से क्या होता है? L for lion, L for leaf, L for ladder, right? And M से M for mango, M for mouse, M for mat. Yes. So today we'll are going to learn how to write letter L and M. So go quickly, get your notebooks, pencils, erasers, and we'll get started. Now boys, as you can see, this is your English school notebook. And which letter are we going to learn today? We are going to learn letter L. L sounds as L. And what do we have here? This is a picture of a leaf. L for leaf. And now ma'am is going to teach you how to write letter L. So I hope you are ready with your notebooks and pencils. Boys, in the pattern writing, we have learned how to draw a standing line and a sleeping line. So with the help of the standing line and the sleeping line, we are going to write letter L. So shall we start, boys? First, what we have to do? First, we take our pencils and we place it on the dot. Can you see, boys? After this, after keeping the pencil on the dot, we draw one standing line and we come down right up till the blue line. Be careful boys, blue line के नीचे नहीं आना है. You have to come only till the blue line. Then boys, from the blue line, from here we draw a sleeping line on the blue line. So which letter do we have here, boys? Letter L. I'll show you once again. Keep your pencils on the dot. Come down till the blue line. Be careful boys, blue line से नीचे नहीं आना है. And on the blue line, we are going to draw a sleeping line. And we have letter L. Again see boys, pencil on the dot. Make a standing line till the blue line. And on the blue line, a sleeping line. Letter L. Again see boys, pencils on the dot. Come down till the blue line and a sleeping line L. Again look boys, pencils on the dot, come down to the blue line and one sleeping line. Pencils on the dot, come down to the blue line and a sleeping line. So same way boys, you are going to complete your work very neatly. And please boys, be very careful of your formations. The formations have to be very neat. Now boys, as you can see, this is your school English notebook. And which letter is this boys? This is letter M. Yes, right. And what picture is this? Mango. M for mango. Now boys, when we have to write letter M, what all patterns do we have to use? You have practiced patterns, no? You know quite a lot of it now. So we need one standing line, another standing line, and as you can see, one slanting line, another slanting line. Now boys, I know it can be a little tricky, but ma'am is here to help you and guide you so that you can write M very easily. So I hope you are excited boys. So get ready with your notebooks and pencils and we'll start to learn how to write letter M. So look very carefully. First boys, we keep our pencils on the dot. From the dot to the blue line, we'll draw one standing line. We'll draw one standing line. Now boys, be careful. We have to only draw the standing line till the blue line. ब्लू लाइन के नीचे हमारे को नहीं आना है. नाउ वी हैव वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन. नाउ वी गो अ लिटिल फार, नॉट टू फार, अ लिटिल फार एंड वी ड्रॉ अनदर स्टैंडिंग लाइन. सो नाउ हाउ मेनी स्टैंडिंग लाइन्स डू वी हैव? 1 and 2. Now from again on the top, from the dot, we have to make a slanting line coming down right till the middle, and from here we go up joining to the second standing line. And what do we have? We have letter M. Easy boys, ma'am will show you again, don't worry, it's very easy. Look here, pencils on the dot. From the dot, make one standing line to the blue line. Easy? We make one more standing line a little far, not too far boys, only a little far. We make another standing line. Easy? Now from the dot, again keep your pencils here. From here right to the center, we'll draw one slanting line coming down, and from here we draw another slanting line going up and joining at the top. So which letter do we have again? M. I'll show you once again. Keep your pencils on the dot. Draw one standing line, and little far we'll draw another standing line. Easy? Now again pencils on the dot. Now from here right to the center, we draw one slanting line coming down, another slanting line going up and joining here, and we have letter M. I'll show you once again, don't worry. Pencils on the dot. Ready? Pencils on the dot. Make one standing line to the blue line. A little far we draw another standing line to the blue line. Now from here, from the dot, again we make one slanting line right up to the center. Right up to the center like this. Now from here we draw another slanting line going up and joining here. And joining here, and we have the letter M. It's very easy boys, don't worry. The more you practice and the more you do it, it will become very easy for you. Just a small thing boys, be very careful of the formations. The formation for the letter M should be very neat, touching the lines, not coming down the line, and the formation of the standing line and the slanting line should be very neat and clear. All the best boys, do well till we meet next. Thank you so much.